How's it going? So I'm going to show you a very quick way to put a thread on the end of a spoke. So this is just a spoke that I cut to length and I filed the burrs off the end. So this is the machine for it. And usually, well, you always just put it in here. Make sure that you've got some oil on the roller threads here. And then typically the way you'd work this is you roll it in like this the whole way by hand. But the trick I've got for you, if you've got a lot of these to do, take that handle off. Take an empty or a broken tube of a bicycle wheel and use that as a belt to spin the head of the tool. So you'll roll about the right length on there of threads and then turn around and go the other way and go back over it again. And generally you need to go over it twice because that's what it takes to fully roll the threads down into position. And there it is, broke's done. I'll just show you before you finish the video to test that the threads are working correctly. You can see there that the nipple rolls onto it easily. Job done.